Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Juan from Juan Stock Alert Group, and today I'm going to be showing you guys and introducing you guys to your new Discord server. So here we have our welcomes tab, we have our disclaimers, introduction, here we have a book for you guys, and we have a video on when to enter calls and put trades. So here we have a couple images of our gains. Any announcements will be posted on announcements, faculty. Alright guys, so this is our signals page right here. This is where I will be posting all my buys and sells. I will be posting them right when the stock market opens, so you guys have a great idea of the entries and exits you guys should get. So this is Freedom Forever's buys and sells, Coach Johnson, elite members picks. We have one elite member so far, Jesus. He'll be posting his plays here. Anything that I feel is high risk or high risk, high reward, I will be posting high risk. So feel free to trade at your own personal discretion. So this is our watch list. Intraday analysis. Our elite member Jesus will be posting daily here. Any trade ideas, member signals. This is where I'm standing. This is some signals from my Patreon. My positions. Charts, advanced discussion. This is where you guys can text or chat, whatever you guys want. Post your gains here. Questions, any questions you may have. Any off-topic thing, anything you want. Right here, basically post whatever you want. Tax questions, any tax question you guys may have. Oh, how much do I have to pay or whatever. You guys could all find answers here. So food. Important news. We have a bot that posts anything that Fox Business considers really important. Our news bot will post it here. Trump's tweets, analysis rating, insider trading, any earnings to watch, any stocks. We will be adding more to training, and then we have our trading rules. Any lessons you guys learn, post them here. Trading videos. I've actually read this book and I do recommend it for all of you guys. I really like the author, Alexander Elder. He's a great author. Library. These are some ebooks that we have. 3 ebooks, free ebooks. You guys can download them and read them on your own time. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. Welcome to your new Discord server, and thanks for watching.